Well, the first thing is I would question sending them to school,
Right.
because that's a huge mistake. If and you have to understand where the whole idea of school came from and what they're trying to do. But yes, I wrote a book called Common Sense Child Rearing, and the basis of it is you don't your job. We have this idea. There's two things that really get parents. Like,
Hmm.
the first is the idea, which is a story, that if you don't teach your children that they're going to end up as savages and homeless and cocaine addicts and in prison and raping young girls or some variation of that, that if you don't civilize them,
Hmm.
that's what happens to people. There's no evidence that that's true. In fact, the evidence is that it's not. But that's what you think. The other thing is if your child misbehaves, especially in public, like does weird stuff, that's a reflection on you, and
Hmm.
you're a bad parent. And everybody can see it because your child is like having a tantrum and throwing stuff all over the place. And that means you're an incompetent parent. And you can't have the world seeing that, even though you secretly believe it's true.